4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my doll babies. Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll. What am I doing, doll baby? I don't know. Today I have half wigs because I'm obsessed with these half wigs. And so we're going to talk about them. Before we get started, people ask and I always forget. So I am wearing on my eyes the Juvia's Place Melissa palette. Melissa times Juvia's Place. And it's beautiful and it looks like this. Okay. And on my lips, I am wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Starfish. So that's what we got on our face today. This is Jordana, okay? And I have her in the color DR Chocolate Cream, same thing, 400 degrees. But this is what the cap construction is going to look like. It's flat around the front. It has 2 combs in the front. It used to have like big combs in the front. I think that's what they're saying because you couldn't lay it flat because of that. Cap feels really, really good. Comb in the back, adjustable strap. So she's still a light yaki texture, but she's probably more of a multicultural option. This color though, if you can see, there's like chocolatey browns, maroons in there, ashiness. This is just a gorgeous color. This one is long. She's a wavy style and she's gonna be longer, so she's probably in the 26 inch, but this is all the hair to the front. I feel like you can easily just like do one of these. Yeah, I just love this. I just think it's so like easy peasy, just quick, you know, gotta run, gotta look cute, you know, all of that sort of thing. I am very, very pleased. This luster is good. Wig caps are large. This one was definitely large, so that's something to keep in mind. I'm not getting a ton of shedding, even though I'm moving her around. And yeah, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. It really, really responds to a brush if you wanted to accentuate those waves. This one here has a bit of a, yeah, like a layer. So I feel like this one would probably be really good for that half up, half down situation. Let's check. Oh yeah. I feel like I am going to a 1980s jazzercise class. But I don't care because I like being totally 80s. I seriously don't mind. I think it's just the headband that's doing it. But you can see there's definitely options there. I don't mind releasing my inner 80s. So yeah, I like it. I'm so extra. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. This is the old school. I used to do this. What am I doing? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.